Hello everybody. Today I show you another order from AliExpress. This was ordered November 10, 2023 and it arrived November 23rd, 2023, so 13 days delivery to Germany. And we have here the model PD-1730 in silver white from Pagani design. This is a lady's watch and I purchased that for my wife for Christmas, and I'm gonna show to you right now how it looks like. I must say that I already unpacked it and still gonna show you how it looks like. We have the normal Pagani design package, very nice pinkish here, leather like cover, the Pagani design cloth, and the watch. Just look at this beauty. I think nobody really before made a review on that watch here, on that model, but I'm gonna take it out. Of course there is the guarantee card and the description how to work it. So anyway, I show to you that watch now. Okay, so we have here a Pagani design sport model. It has a stainless steel case, and that oyster structure is part of the case. So whenever you want to change the bracelet, you need to order a bracelet which has a straight ending here, and the diameter of this watch here is 36 millimeters. The thickness is 10.8 millimeters, and you won't believe it, there is a sapphire crystal. We have a screw-in crown here, screw-in pushers, and this is a real chronograph with a Japanese TMI VD50i Quartz movement, Hatori Epson movement, so to say. It requires a battery 371 or SR920SW. The back is also screwed in, and there you see the model, of course. It has only 64 grams, but I really think this is a nice watch with real diamonds around the dial. No, but I think for a lady that is a very, very nice watch. This is my second Pagani design watch. I have already this here. I can't turn my arm, but I'll show it to you later on. A 1645, I think it is, with a blue dial, like a Datejust homage, and it has here a stainless steel clasp, which seems to be very, very solid, but I haven't tried it, so, and she don't like that, most likely the leatherette or the leather. I ordered an oyster like bracelet, which should fit right here. It should arrive soon. And what else we can say? Yeah, straight lugs. And again, that's a real chronograph with 1/10 of a second and 60 minutes possibility. So we even have here a Pagani design hanger here. That's very nice. I really must say this is a very, very chic watch, and I think she's gonna be very, very happy with it. Anyway, So I really appreciate watching, and I'll show you real quick the other Pagani I have, and I will make a review. Many people reviewed that watch already, of course, and this is also a real nice. This is a real nice watch here, I'm telling you. I really like it. I have many watches, but this here seems to be the one I always like to wear. It is the PD-1645. The only flaw here is that the Cyclops is a little bit off, minimal. So it got to be up a little bit, but maybe I adjust it, I don't know, but I don't want to open it right now. It's in such a nice condition. So I'm going to review that later on, give you details. Real nice. Pagani. I really recommend Pagani design. They put a lot of effort in the quality. And of course, it is not original. We all know that. These are homage watches, so there are some drawbacks, of course. But this here, I think it is extremely nice. And just for ladies, girls, a nice watch. I will show you as soon the bracelet arrives, the oyster bracelet. I will show to you how it looks like with that. I was recommending to get Jubilee, but she rather like to have the oyster, so let's go for that. Anyway, I appreciate and thanks for watching.